This video tutorial I will cover isAfter and isBefore methods of instant class. Here I have defined the class instant demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created instant 1. Here I have created instant 2. Using isAfter method, I am checking whether instant 1 is after instant 2. Instant 1 is 2016, instant 2 is 2018. 2016 is not after 2018, so we will get false. Using isBefore method, I am checking whether instant 1 is before instant 2. 2016 is before 2018, so we will get true.